Hey, what's up? Okay, so an introduction first of all. My name is Suresh Narzary and I belong to Gopur. I'm something like let's make this Gopur a little bit brighter as a YouTuber. Okay. But I have a backstory. Okay, I need backstories for them that I feel ki I should share with you guys. Ki nungsa related jay yang jeng hai. Isa connected jay manam ba ki boy have problem nong life on nga right. So boy have problem nung babu mane jene ba share kalna hai arau jeng ba. So ang sampai like why not I share with you guys? Okay, any problem ko. Ang mapiti feel kalamu dayu. Okay, why I'm like feeling this kind of shit things in my mind. So okay, so ang dini share kalam sanchang. Okay, so I'm going to belong Kalaman. First of all, I'm first like before I came to Gopur, I'm Goa also belong Kalaman. Been in on the Gopur Hoi. Okay, it's been like 5 to 6 years maybe Gopur Thane. Okay, more than that maybe. So let's start. So I need job by first of all. Okay, I was working on as a teacher, okay, assistant teacher on some of the schools in Arunachal. So there was a problem though. My main problem ki ang bangsin na problem ko galay reason ko kuna sanse. First of all, a question kalam. It's because I don't like wrong things, hypocrisy, manipulations. That's the reason. Okay, and because of my English also I got many problems. Ang English speaking kalam school pro right, proper English, fluent English. That's the reason for my problem. Okay, so let's start. So class 9 I teaching start common and I was like very good in teaching and people were loving me. My brothers were also loving me like okay, you are a very good teacher, you will be a very good teacher. But there was a problem. Okay, much problem like I'm a big that cute baby, na the students for the right. I'm like so loving to them, okay, like loving to them and brought care kalam boy. That was my problem too because I was free with the students. Okay, so people go back free the book right. When you are a young teacher, the planning the planning mature nunga. So definitely next by the mungan right. By the mungan. But there was a guy in that school. Okay, that's a don't man like any colleague. Okay, jayang ang jeng mau payment teacher sabai. He was from Bangalore. Arabic ko mane go to pram motu nandinga. Okay, I'm nam muntrabai. But the real name ko mention kalamaki. But ini nickname as Hebai Moto. I really hate this guy, bro. I really hate this guy. It's not because of his face or something like that, but because of his hypocrisy and because of his like shit thoughts. I hate kalam. And reason I be be man sinayana teacher and post to man hate to kalama, but I don't want to work as a teacher now. Being isang garden teacher ko dai. So okay, that's the reason for leaving teacher. Yeah, I don't know why. What was the reason behind that? But I feel ki Bianco hate kalama it's because of my English and because I was free with the kids, because I love the kids so much. That's the reason. Okay. Okay, now story come to the ending story. That is say ending story aja by ki and teacher malagar nai eba beri karnai bini sebenarnya. So it was like last year ni kata dia, no last year, this year ni kata dia, para ko buja like 3 months back ni kata dia, 3 months back ni kata dia. Okay, so 3 months back what happened? Ki jeni session jumpai, school ni session jumpai, and I was like okay, session jumpai, so I'm more free. Okay. But the guy from the Bangalore, okay, who was my colleague, be mane mali ya school ni owner jeng get also like discuss kalam be oh be Suresh bang puya like that, okay. And by Suresh puya basa ang pagan, and it was my owner's favor. That's because ki owner abe isi man do na because like bara naya kumazana go okay, but I don't know about this shit ang malay ko mane accuse kamna kasi like oh be di nane okay defame kamna kasi but I will say this okay ki bejer sanijeng mane owner jeng bejer hai mamara like michla, and they called me when I was going to go back to the school. Okay, ang school out pinna giroiman ang brother ko contact kalam bekile ang gaban thang say school hai time beja khapai, so can I come like that. Okay, but you know hai maligang contact kalam bayar like brother kadang first now ki don't come back to the school because of some issue. Owner said ki don't come फैनाङा school आवहाय होननानै बुंबाय. And आं बेयावनो माने एसे doubt जाखाबाय कि there is something reason behind that कि आंखौ मानो स्कुलाव फैनाङा होननानै. होमबा आं मालिकजों स्कुलनि मालिकजोंबो रायलायबाय and बे मालिकआबो आंखौ थगायबाय कि like बेलेग टिचार लाबोगासिनो जोङो so नों फैथ'नांला. But after some day, okay, after 2-3 days, I'm proper मोनथिबाय कि the main reason was for the motor. बे माने गथ' गोरलै बायदि थानानै मालिकनि खाथियाव होनहैबाय आरो कि बेखौ लाबोनाङा नङाबा आं फैया माया होननानै. आरो बेनि फेभराव मानो थाखो होनबा मट'नि फेभराव थानायनि रिजोना जाहैबाय कि लाइक मालिकआ बारा केयार खालामा अके बेफोरखौ बारा नाया आरो बारा प्रपर मोनथिया सिंनि खोथाफोरखौ बियो जास्ट स्कुल नालाय स्कुल सोलिबाय थानांगौ लाइक द्याट अके आरो प्रिटेन्डिं खालामनायखौथ' मा होनबावनो आं बे मट' होननाय बुस्थुखौ अके आरो देयर इज वान मोर गाय एसे बोरायानो बेबो बाट आइ डोन्ट से हिज नेम आं मेनसन खालामनो गोसो गैला अके इट्स फन टिचिं खालामनाय बिराद फनमोन आरो आंनि लास्ट बेन्चार फ्रेन्ड्सफोरा बयबो मिथिजोबो कि इट वाज माय लाइक ड्रीम जब आई वुड से फर अ टिचिं ओके आंनि बे ड्रीम जबसोमोन बट नाउ आई डोन्ट लाइक दैट जब एनिमोर नाउ कम टु द पॉइंट ऑफ बेंगलोर आं मानो थानाय ओके देयर वाज द रिजन कि आंना जब थांबाय दिस टिचिं जब थांबाय आंखौ लांफिननोबो लाइक लांफिननो नङामोन लेंहरफिनासै मानोबा बिसोरो होनबाय कि लाइक ओंखारदो स्कुलनिफ्राय होननानै स' आइ वाज लाइक अके फाइन जेबो नंला बाट आंनि दिमागा हिलिबाय ओके लाइक शेट यार आं दा मा खालामबावगोन फर माय लिभिं फर माय चाइल्ड फर माय वाइफ व्हाट शुड आई डू नाउ इफ आई डोन्ट हैव मनी राइट खामानिथ' मावथारनांगोन स' द्याट वाज माय प्रब्लेम स' आं सानबाय कि लेट्स गो टु बेंगलराव थांबाय आं एन्ड बेंगलराव प्रब्लेम जाबावबाय आंना आई वाज लाइक मनी इशू जाहैबाय माय फ्रेंड इशू जाहैबाय फ्रेंड्सफ्राबो गोदाव सोराव बिनि सैमा लोगो मोनफ्लांखो आङो बिराद गाज्रि जाबाय बिराद प्रब्लेम जाबाय आं बेंगलरावबो बाट स्टिल आई सस्टेन्ड एन्ड आई जस्ट लाइक प्रे टु गड कि लाइक जेरैखिजाया आंखौ अननानै बिनिफ्राय लांदो आई कान्ट लिभ एनि मोर लाइक दैट आरो बेयावनो आं सानबाय लाइक लेट्स गो टु आसाम बेक एगेन एन्ड नायनि मा जायो थ' इउटुबखौ फुल टाइम खालामनायनि मा जायो सानदों आरो आं ओंखायनो आं फैफिनबाय आसामावहाय देन आइ एम ट्राइं माय बेस्ट दायो रिलेभेन्ट जानो थाखायनो बे भिडिअखौ बानायबाय आइ नो नोंसोर आंजों रिलेटेड खालामनो हागोन खोमा बे भिडिअजों मानो होनबा लाइफआव बयहाबो प्रब्लेम थायो आइ एम नट सेइं दैट यु डोन्ट हेभ प्रब्लेम राइट आरो बिराद मानसिफ्रा सानोखि इउटुबार जाबायलै फैसा बिराद दं बेनावहाय आं से वान थिं फैसाथ' दङ बाट यु शुड वर्क हार्ड ओके आम लाइक इउटुबखौ आं बारा सिरियास लाया मालाबा भिडिअ मोनबाय या रिसार्च खालामबाय गोसो जाबाय रिसार्च खालामबाय भिडिअ बानायबाय बिदिसोमोन द्याट्स द रिजन कि आं इउटुबाव बारा रिलेभेन्ट नङामोन आइ एम रियेलि सरि आं नोंसोरखौ डिसएपइन्ट खालामबाय बिराद बारनो बाट स्टिल देन जिखुनु जा लभ यु गाइस एन्ड स' बे आंनि स्ट'रिमोन एबाउट दिस माय पार्सनेल छोटा सा मोनसे स्मल स्ट'रि एबाउट हाउ आई dislike now this teaching and how I went to Bangalore, all this and shit. Okay, love you all and peace out.